Hi everybody! I hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fruit salad. Let's begin! Well, we'll need apples, tangerine, kiwis, bananas, grapes and lemon. You will also need a knife, a bowl, a spoon, a cutting board, a peeler, a lemon squeezer, a container and a table set. Let's start with the preparation. Peel the apples and dice them. Alright, now we are going to slice bananas and dice kiwis. After doing that, peel a tangerine and squeeze a lemon. Put all the ingredients in the bowl and finally pour the lemon juice. Yeah, you have finished! Thank you very much for watching. Bye!